sing balai singi po pham nau pham ne ma pu ma khoina kalam balam dam ne kalam balam dam sing balai singi po pham mau pham ne ma pu ma khoina kalam balam dam ne ning tam lamba lai pak ni ne pok pham ni ne ai khoi ne hing li se how dik ti ai khoi kari ngam lu ne hai rak kano ning tam na balam balai pak ne pok pham na ne ning tam ta li se ling jil kha ro mai te ai khoi se masi bu ne ima na pam su thau na lai tro huru ai khoi se masi mak ne ipa gi yaw bagi ling jil kha ro mai te ai khoi se masi bu ne ima na pam su thau na lai tro huru ai khoi se masi mak ne ipa gi yaw bagi hajit ke ek kar to bana hum bana ling tam lamba
come to see some sort of interfire and father keeping you here to tell her something is happening here. You're morally obliged to come to our help. India should not be allowed to simply massacre our people.
It now plans to take the war out in the jungle and into the streets of Manipur by sparking civil unrest.
We are all Manipur mothers! Bless us! Hey, Indian Army, come on!
Future plan, we will run the Kijuri and the exile government here, and from today onwards, and we will submit filing a petition to Her Majesty, to Her Highness, the Queen, and to the Supreme Council, and we will work with the order, the United Nations, to seek the support from the Security Council.
Minister of External Affairs and Defense Affairs.
We have our own political system. Our constitution is the supreme authority for the governance and administration of the state. Our constitution gives liberty, authority, and power for the governance of the state of Manipur.
Suran ngakni ne theng na chumi kap thok la sidi huak kap on hele thili chupare sai thanon kuma bai wa sukhang ne na khoi gi charon suran ngakni ne theng na chumi mai pang la sidi nong la le le pa khang ba gi suran ai khoi ni u ya gi ma yo sukat la chung na ai khoi gi kang la sa Kalamba lamda